It's not me. That's what I usually say if I think the response is. Anyway, you see it's bye, folks. What happened to the dog whistle Republicans? You know, when Reagan was running, he made to degrade the recipients of food stamps, right? Which had to remain objectively non-racial, right? For everyone to be on board with the public comment. This is how you appeal to your voters. Reagan said, you know, when some young buck standing in line in front of you buying steak and whatever there is. But, okay, that was a dog whistle. He didn't respond, or, you know, they responded to criticism, just gaslight. No, that's not what he meant. That's silly. That's just right. He's an actor. He says, I don't remember what it was. But, okay. The dog whistle Republican Party were those potential Republican voters smart enough to know what the dog whistle is. It's smarter than dogs, I guess. But see, the racists, the trade and the back, whatever these fuckers come from, right? I mean, I don't know. I'm saying happening at home. Well, you never know the motivations of people. This is a hard lesson, a new lesson for me. Anyway, right? They were smart enough to respond. Okay, they didn't have to be smart enough. Smart enough to respond to the voting, pull the lever the right way, but it didn't attract the crazies. They weren't smart enough. It wasn't racist enough. That's what it is. They were looking for somebody to support their values. Wow.